Now I have come up with the advantages of Python. Now in this first point is platform independent. This I have explained you in class 10th also. Still you see platform independent. Some softwares are platform independent, means whatever the program you will make using Windows, it can be run on Linux, Mac OS or other Windows also, other operating system also. Similarly, the whatever the configuration with the computer you are having, for example 400 GB hard disk, suppose 2 GB RAM, suppose processor is your processor is dual core, then that can be run on another platform also, software configuration also, hardware configuration also. So that is, this means actually platform independent. Now talking about readability. Readability means program using a Python are very simple and concise and simple English language. As it is a high level language, still many high level language are very hard to write, very difficult to write, as you have already done C++ in class 9th. So there you have seen that many things to write, and but in class 10 when you have done in Python, this was very simple to write each every program. Even a non programmer can also understand those statements, or you can say instructions. Now next is the object oriented language. As I have explained in my last video, object oriented language is that language in which each and every part of the software that you will create using Python will have its own significance. Means it will work individually as well as together also. So that is the object oriented concept. It doesn't mean that one part of the software is destroyed due to some problem, then other part will not work, still other part will work. So that is the object oriented. Like in our mobiles, supposing there is issue with the WhatsApp, still you can work with hike. If it is a issue with the WhatsApp or another, then you can do other part of it. Net is not working, still messaging we can do. So it means all are working on a same device but individually. So that's the thing, and they are working together also. The messages that you send in simple text messages, that you can send the same to a WhatsApp also, means they are interrelated also, they are working together also. So that's the mean of object oriented language. Now talking about high productivity. In this higher productivity, in this programmer has less to write and get more done. Means in C language and Java, that is also a high productivity language, and similarly the Python also. In this the codes are very small, and user can easily use this and get the more result. Now talking about less learning time, as it is very means simple language. As you have learned in class 10th also, very simply we can create a program, we can make a program, and we can easily do that. So all this make it very easy to learn. So user, we programmer take less time to learn and user take less time to understand. Now GUI programming, that I have already told you that in this lot of things are there, like icon design that we can make, and all these libraries are there, windows are there, and Windows system is there. So all this we can use using Python programming. Ample ability of libraries. It has a large library, standard libraries. As I have already told you, library means from where we can get the inbuilt function. Inbuilt function means many things like suppose mathematically you want to find the square root of a number, then in this there is a math module, or you can say math library, in which mathematical functions are available, like square root, like power, like cos function. You want to find out in mathematics, you know, cos theta, value of cos theta you need to get, value of tan theta, sec theta, any value you can get using this math module. Similarly, for other modules are also available. For string handling there is a module, for input method there is a module, for displaying there is a module. So it is having a large standard library. Now the syntax highlighting, it allows to distinguish between input output and error messages by different color codes. You have done Python, and in Python when you write program, you can see that what you are inputting, it is coming in a different color, the error is coming in a different color, and output is coming in a different color. Even you can say if you are using any function like you have used input, you have used for, so these are coming in different colors, and the simple text are coming in a different color. So it is having a highly high syntax highlighting. That's all class. Now I am going to tell you one software that you can install in your computer, or sorry, in your mobile, so that you can do Python programming using your mobile also. You all install this. In this there are two windows. In one we can write simple program like triple arrow, if you remember triple arrow, in which we write the command, and one more window is there in which you can write the instructions, a big program also you can write there. So that's all class, you just have to see this.